Hello, Thursday. It's time to kick it in like a dope house. Oh, that's my only dance moves I know. Okay. Anyways, y'all, I haven't been feeling great lately, and I actually have a doctor's appointment today to kind of figure out what's going on. Some weird pains and weird places, and maybe it's stress. I don't know. Maybe I'm feeling just, I know there's a lot of things that we can create in our mind if we don't take care of what's going on in our head. I actually am starting with a life coach, and I was looking for a calendar that's not there, in about a week. And I'm really looking forward to it because I think we all need coaches, just to push us to the next level, to remind us whenever we're falling down that having that someone there consistently to help you pick it back up. And so I've just been feeling a lot of weird pains lately, and might as well get them checked on instead of ignoring it, because ignoring it could lead to, other things. Anyways, so I have taken a peek at the market this morning. Let's go ahead and look at it. I was actually looking at this spot to continue up when I was peeking at it just a minute ago. Let's start, as always, with our daily chart. All right. Oh, it's creating a nice little floor here. We have pulled back in the MACDs. They are outside the bottom Bollinger Band. But man, that sure is not a lot of strength. Look at all the strength we had going down before. Weak retracement. What happens a lot of times with this type of thing is that it continues up. But I'm not going to make assumptions. I'm going to watch and see what happens. It looks like we are actually missing out a little bit on a move to the upside. The upside. Oh, I didn't make it in time. Let's see if it grabs me. There we go. Oh. I do love where it's going now. Okay, there we go. Up. Ooh, that's a lot of strength coming back at it. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, and that would have hit my stop right then, so I took it out with about a tick in profit. I'm gonna give this an opportunity. And take that first one out. Not breaking through that top Bollinger Band. This is the little bit of saving grace here. We're going to go ahead and close that one out with the strength coming back down. So if I don't see you again, I hope you have a great day. I feel like crap, but I still find reasons to smile. Hopefully we find out what's going on. Or maybe, sometimes I think to myself, is this all in my mind? Am I just stressed and I'm letting things bother me? But I guess it's better to be safe than sorry. So hours later, I'm back. We have decided that she decided very quickly I need to see a gastroenterologist and a brain is foggy an allergist. So I think I'm going to look at this for a few more minutes, and then we're going to wrap this stuff up. So let's see what's going on right now. Oh, that's at a great spot to push up, but it's a little late to get in this. If we look at the way this is pushing up here, made higher pivots. Now we have to be aware the last area was right here, and it's really struggling to push past there, but it's looking like it's gonna give it the old college try. Oh, that wasn't the best entry point, but that'll work. Still keep me right behind here. Okay, I was thinking I went a little higher, sorry. That will do, donkey. I'm not feeling great, but I am gonna see what we can get out of this. Thinking about going ahead and taking it out here, and I'm gonna tell you why. This may keep going up, but we're getting a potential reversal bar. We got major divergence with such a strong push up. The slowdown here, it could definitely keep going, but my brain is being really foggy these days. What mark? Oh, this is a 1597. So, oh, okay, I'm sorry. No, this was my first one. It looked like it though. No, okay. This was my second one. Okay, so no, my first one was here, my second one was here. But you can see he's taking the shorts and I'm taking the longs. So it really just depends on what you keep your mindset towards and what you're looking for. But look how he did today. Good job. 17.75 points, 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 loss. Nice job, Jason. That's gonna wrap it up, y'all. I'm done. I'm gonna get this through, and tomorrow I will not be trading. I have blood work first thing in the morning. I have an ultrasound at 11. I'll have to look at it because I don't remember when I wrote it down. And just looking forward to feeling better. That's for sure. And I think part of the reason that I'm going ahead and trading and doing this is showing you that, you know, as long as your mind is in the right place, where I don't feel great, but I know what I'm looking for here and I know why I'm looking for it. And when I'm in the market, I don't keep my mind much place else. Now, does that mean I may exit a trade a little bit early? Possibly. But that's going to be it for today. I will catch you guys around. I will see y'all next week sometime for sure. And I hope everybody has a fabulous weekend, and I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.